Welcome to the Higgins Report. I'm Mike Higgins reporting, and here's my report. Alright, just a quick video here on a Uniden SDS200 scanner radio. We'll show you how to do a custom search with a upper and lower limit. So right now we're in scan list mode. If I want to start a custom search, you got a couple different buttons that we're gonna be worried about. Push/function button and the squelch/menu button. In this case, I depress the menu button. I'll use this knob right here and turn it down to search for. Once I have search for highlighted, I can go ahead and depress this button, and you see custom search. I have a couple different options here. If I hit custom search, it's going to search whatever bands that I have highlighted right here, 0 through 9. So if I start pushing some of the buttons here, you're going to see these numbers start to populate or depopulate if I hit them, and I can hit them on and off, and that's going to widen our scan. So while it's scanning, if I want to affect the direction of the scan, clockwise makes it go upward, counterclockwise brings the scan back in the other direction. If I skip something and I'm not by the radio and I want to go back to it, I could just send it back into the previous direction. If I want to stop the scan at any time, I can just hit the hold button right here, and now it stops searching, and I can go ahead and manually move the function button and rotate it like a VFO and manually change the frequency. If I want to resume the scan, I just hit the resume button and it starts to scan again. So let's go ahead and put in some custom limits. So I've just pressed the menu button again. I'm rotating this search for, depress the function button, rotate it to edit custom, depress the function button. I'll go to custom 4. I will depress it. Now I can, if I were to depress this, I can change the name from custom 4 to whatever I want. To back up, I press this menu button one time, and then edit search limit, depress the button. Let's make our lower limit. This is for the 2-meter hand band here in the United States. That's 144 megahertz. I hit E for enter. Now you see it's changed to set upper limit. I'll change it to 148 megahertz. Hit enter. Now I've changed the limits, upper and lower limits now on custom 4. I can back up. To do that, I again hit the menu button, hit it again, custom search, rotate it, rotate the button, the function button, then depress it, and now you can see I'm scanning all of the bands again. Now I only want to scan number 4, so what do? I just, if you notice, as I push these buttons, I can deactivate those bands. I'm going to leave 4, scanning 4 is what I want, and I'm going to push all these numbers, and I'm going to stop scanning those other bands. So right now I'm only scanning my custom 4 selection, and that was from 144 to 148. Again, I can change the direction of the scan at any time. I can stop it at any time by hitting hold, and then I can manually tune it. Now if there was a frequency that if it stops on something, some noise or something that you really don't want to hear, when that happens you can hit the avoid button while you're on that signal, and it won't stop on that frequency again. It's a temporary hold until you turn the radio off and turn it back on. Once I'm all done and I want to stop my custom scan, if you can see it on the camera, this is labeled to scan. I can resume scanning normally just by hitting that button, and now I'm right back where I started. So, any comments or suggestions on how to do that more efficiently, or something else you might want to add to this, feel free to leave it in the comments. And that's it for now. 73, be safe.